Okay, let's start the class. Oh, fine. Okay, so good afternoon, guys. Welcome to NEET World Institute and NEET World YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well, right? So, you know that alternative days of classes will be going for IPE, that is class 11th and class 12th, right? So, yesterday was class 12th topic, and today we are going to class 11th topic. So, as we have completed our long answer questions, that is LAQs, right? Work energy power, then oscillation, then thermodynamics, we completed, right? So, now we will start with short answer questions, okay, that is SAQ. So, once we completed this short answer questions, we will go for very short answer questions, okay. So, we will complete one by one, we will go into a step by step process, okay. So, I hope you have completed the revision part of long answer questions, I hope so, right. So, now in today's class we are going to see a topic which is motion in a straight line. So, in this topic usually we will deal with the problems, and if they ask any theory questions also we can answer it, right, if they ask, right. So, we will see what are the problems are there and how we need to solve that problems, okay. So, let us go into the class. Yeah. So, the problem has been displayed here. So, let us wait for 1 minute, like the people are joining over here, right. So, we will see, and once the people are joining, no, we will start with the problem, okay. So, once you can see the problem, what is the given terms there, everything, okay, and we will start doing the question. So, let us start now, okay, fine. So, you can see the question, what's the given terms there, okay. So, short answer questions, motion in a straight line, okay. So, a car travels first 1/3. So, first 1/3 in the sense like the total distance is there, like one part of that, like they have divided into 3 parts. So, one part they are saying 1/3 means one part of 3, okay. So, 1/3 of a distance with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour, kmph means kilometer per hour, okay. The second third of second third at 20 kilometer per hour, and the last third at 60 kilometer per hour. So, what is the mean speed over entire distance? Okay. So, with this they might ask what is the velocity also, like average velocity and average speed, okay. So, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 60 kilometer per hour. Let us start doing the problem now. Then, yeah. So, given that 1/3 has been given as 10 kilometer per hour, 2/3, second third, okay, first third, second third, I will write. First that is they have given us 10 kilometer per hour. Second, they have given us 20 kilometer per hour, and third they have given us 60 kilometer per hour. The total distance might be, we can take as x or s, whatever it is, like depends upon the terms which we are proceeding. Okay, so we have taken. Now the total distance is x in the sense we are dividing this distance. Okay, right now the total distance is x. Okay, we will divide into three parts: one part, second part, third part. First part, second part, third part. So total x means this is x by 3, and this is x by 3, and this is x by 3. Right now, so what will be the time taken? Yes, this one will take t1 time, like we don't know the time also, we will take t1, this one is t2, okay, total is x, okay, this is t3. So we got some unknown thing also here, like x by 3, x by 3, x by 3, t1, okay, this is t2, right, t2, t3. Now they will ask the question, find average speed and average velocity, average speed or average velocity, whatever, average speed, average velocity, whatever they can ask. Okay, so now in this question they asked what is the thing, average speed they have asked, right? No, so what we should do now, so average speed in the sense the sum of distance by sum of time taken, like total distance by total time taken. No, that's the like formula we know. Average speed is nothing but total distance by total time taken, right? No, so this is the formula. Now total distance means what? X by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 will be nothing but x. Total time means t1 plus t2 plus t3, total time, right? No, so can we proceed with the steps now? Is it clear now, the given question? So the next step will be, what we should write here, it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by t1 plus t2 plus t3. What is x1? This is my x1, x1, this is my x2, and this is my x3, right? No, so x1, x2, x3, everything is same, right? Everything is same. So what I can do here now, x by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 by t1, t2, t3, like it can be same, it cannot be same, we don't know that, right? No, we will keep as it is. So however, when we see the 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer, 60 kilometer per hour, no, obviously time will be different, right? So t1 plus t2 plus t3, this is V average. Okay, fine, V average, this much we have got. Now what we should do is, can I write speed is nothing but when we are talking about velocity, it should be like this, vector should be mentioned. So we are talking about speed, so V should be equals to distance by time, right? No, distance by time. So for the first distance, how much speed it is? So let me take V1 will be equals to D1 by T1 or x1 by T1, right? So I can say that T1 will be equals to, from this T1 will be equals to x1 is x by 3, V1 is 10, V2 will be equals to x2 by T2, so which is nothing but T2 will be equals to x by 3 by 20, V3 will be equals to x3 by T3, which is nothing but T3 will be equals to x3 by 60. So we know that x t1, t2, t3. Can I substitute these values here? Yes, absolutely, we can substitute the values, right? Yeah. So now what I can say, x by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 divide by, what is t1? It is x by 3 by 10 plus x by 3 by 20 plus x by 3 by 60, right? No? So after this, what we can do here is, we can take x by 3 commonly outside from top also, from denominator also, like numerator and denominator, right? No? So what I can do, x by 3 commonly I will take outside. I can say it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by x by 3 I can take commonly outside, it is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So x by 3 cancelled out, right? No? So I can say it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3 divided by 1 by 1, say 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30, say 60, right? Now what we can do here, what we can do over here? So first let me take this value, I will cross multiply this, okay? So it is 3 divided by, cross multiply 20 and this 10, so 20 plus 10 divided by 20 into 10 plus 1 by 60, right? So it is 3 divided by 30, no? 30 divided by how much? 200 plus 1 by 60, 1 by 60, right? Now again cross multiply this. So how much I will get? 3 divided by, 3 divided by. So this is 30 into 60 plus 200 divided by 200 into 60. This is denominator, only numerator is 3, only numerator is 3. So take this denominator to the numerator. So 3 into 200 into 60 divided by 60 into 30. So 6 into 3 is 18, 18, 0, 0, 0, 0 will add plus 200 will be equals to, right? No? So 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are how much? 36. So 36, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros I will take, 3 zeros, divide by 1800, 200, 2000, 3 zeros and 3 zeros, no? 3 zeros, 3 zeros cancelled out. So this is 1 times and this is 18 times. So it is 18 kilometer per hour is the V average. So this is how we will do the problem for the given question. I hope it's clear, right? Yeah, this much step is coming, right? No? Let me, yeah, show the steps. You can take a note of this. Done? Okay. Yeah, you can take a note of this. First, we'll go for the next one. Done? Okay. So now the next question. I guess how much? 18 kilometer per hour. We got the answer, no? So the next question. A man walks on a straight road from his home to market 2.5 kilometer with a speed of 5 kilometer per hour. So he is taking from home to market 2.5 kilometer distance with 5 kilometer per hour. Finding the market closed, he instantly turn and walk back home with a speed of 7.5 kilometer per hour. What is the like first A, magnitude of average velocity, average speed of the man over time interval of 0 to 50 minutes, right? So this is the thing they are asking. So I need to find what is the thing like average velocity and average speed, right? No, see, like average velocity and average speed in the sense, obviously, yes, average velocity obviously it will be 0. I need to find average speed only, right? No, if you see average velocity, it is 0. Why it is 0? Displacement is 0. Final and initial position will be same, so it will be 0. Now I need to find distance travel from home to market. I mean time travel from home to market, time travel from home to market to home. How much I need to find? Then total time I need to get it, right? So total time in the sense, yeah, and total distance, right? So we will calculate how this one. Once you can see the question here, so it is 5 kilometer, 7 kilometer per hour, and the distance is 2.5 plus 2.5, 5. Okay, yes, we will find the answer now. Okay, so now he is in home, the person is in home now. Now this is market, right? So he is traveling, or he or she traveling somewhere, like anyhow, some is traveling how much? 2.5 kilometer with 5 kilometer per hour from home to market. Now market is closed, again is returning back with 7 kilometer per hour, 7 kilometer per hour, right? This is the thing. Now I need to find the average speed. Average speed in the sense, I need to find what is the time he has been taken to go from home to market. He has been taken how much time from market to home. First, let me write the formula. Average speed is equals to total distance by total time taken, right? So total distance in the sense, how much from home to market, market to home, 2.5 kilometer plus 2.5 kilometer, 2.5 plus 2.5 divide by total time I don't know. So he might taken T1 for home to market, T2 for market to home. Let me take T1 plus T2. So let me find what is the time taken. Okay, first we will find time taken from home to market. So first we know that speed equals to distance by time. So time T1 will be equals to how much distance? 2.5 kilometer, and how much speed? 5 kilometer per hour, right? So kilometer cancel, hour will go upside, so it is 25 by 50 hours, which is nothing but 1 by 2 hour. Half an hour you have taken, 1 by 2 no, half an hour, right? So we will find everything in the kilometer per hour. Okay, so next, time taken from market to home. So V1 D1 T1, V2 will be equals to D2 by T2, where D1 D2 are same because same distance, no. So T2 will be equals to D2 by V2, which is nothing but it is 2.5 kilometer by 7 only, no, you can see here how much it is, we'll check it. It is 7.5, not 7, 7.5, right? So let me take here, this is 7.5, 7.5 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So kilometer cancel, hour will go upside. So it is 25 by 75 hour, which is nothing but 1 times and 3 times. So 1 by 3 hour. Right, no? So this is my T1 and T2. Now we will go for the average. Average speed. So average speed is equals to total distance x1 plus, sorry, d1, okay, let me take d1 plus d2 by t1 plus t2. What is d1? Let me write here, d1 is equals to d2 is equals to 2.5 kilometer, right? So what is d1? 2.5. What is d2? 2.5 by how much hour it has been taken? It is 1 by 2 hour plus 1 by 3 hour. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, no. So let me take 60 by 20, so 2, which is nothing but half an hour, 30 minutes, and 60 by 3, which is 20 minutes. So total 50, no, 0 to 50 only we have got correctly. Okay, no issues. So yeah. So what happens here? Cross multiply it here, this one. Cross multiply it. So this is 2.5 plus 2.5, 5 divide by cross multiply 3 plus 2 divide by 2 into 3. Right, no? So how much? So 5 divided by 5 into, so 5 by 6. So 6 will go upside, which is nothing but 5 into 6 by 5, 5 cancel. So V average speed will be 6 kilometer per hour, 6 kilometer per hour. This is the answer for the first question. Okay, answer for the first question. Got it? Okay, we'll see the next part of the question. So now average velocity, right? So displacement, right? Displacement by time, total displacement by total time, no? So what is the displacement? So initial point is here, this is my initial point, and the person has been traveled, again he came here, so he went here, again he came back here, right? No, so initial, so final position minus initial position by total time, no? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So final position is home only, initial position also home only. So it is 0 by, it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So total will be V average, or that's velocity average will be 0. This is the answer, right? That's the answer, right? Done? Can we go for the next one? Okay. So next question will be, yes, a ball dropped from a roof of a tall building and simultaneously another ball is thrown horizontally with some velocity from the same roof. Okay, which ball lands first? Explain your answer. So the thing is, we should understand, whenever we are throwing a ball like this or we are leaving a ball like this, both will go in the same time. Okay, that's the thing we should remember. Like if you are throwing like this also, the ball will travel like this. Why it is traveling like this? X velocity will be there, but y velocity will be 0. Initial point, but when it's going, no, when it's going, the velocity will increase because of the gravity. Okay, yeah, you can take a look of the question, we'll see the answer. Okay, we'll see the answer now. Now there is a building. I am leaving the ball like this. So another condition, they have said that I am throwing the ball like this. It's going like this. Okay. So I need to find what is the time taken. So first condition if we see, free falling, we'll say, no, free falling body. So in this, u will be equals to 0, displacement will be height of the building h, acceleration will be plus g, it's towards down g, right? Now I should find the time taken. So first, v is equals to u plus at, v square minus u square is equals to 2as, s is equals to ut plus half at square. In this 3 equation, which equation I can able to use to get the time? If I see this equation, s is there, a is there, u is there, v is not there, I can use to find v. In this case I can neglect this. In this case, a is there, t is there, u is also there, I mean a is there, t is not there, I can find, u is also not there, v is not there. So u is there. So 2 unknowns are there, I cannot find. This is to find v. So when I see third equation, t is the only unknown, I can use the t. Yes, no, I can use the third equation. S is equals to ut plus of at square. So yes, it is h will be equals to 0 into t plus 1 by 2 into g into t square, right? No, so how much it is? This one will get cancelled out because 0 into something is 0 only. So h will be equals to 2gt, gt square by 2. So 2 will go this side, g also will come this side. So t square will be 2h by g. So t is nothing but root over 2h by g. This is by time taken. Okay, for the first condition. Condition 2. Condition 2. What is the condition 2? I am throwing the object with some velocity, but when I talk about this, ux is not equals to 0, but uy is equals to 0, right? No, uy is equals to 0. So uy, and I am talking about this displacement in y direction, that is h, acceleration in y direction, that is plus g, acceleration in x direction, that is 0. So no need to talk about x, I will talk about y. So uy will be equals to 0, sy will be equals to h, ay will be equals to g. Similarly, same equation I can use, sy is equals to uyt plus 1 by 2 into ayt square, right? No, so sy is h. So this like velocity in y direction is 0 and time is t plus 1 by 2 into acceleration in y direction is g, and this time is I don't know t square. This is I can neglect it out, 0 into something is 0. H will be equals to gt square by 2 again. So 2 I can take this side, 2h by g will be equals to t square. So where t will be equals to root over 2h by g. Am I getting the same answer for the both the condition? So I can say that we should write the last point, since both time t1 and t2 are equal, so they will take equal, so they will reach simultaneously, okay, reach same time, right? No, since both are equal, okay, time t1 and t2 are equal, they will reach at same time. That's it. This is how we will write the answer for this question. Rayan, which one I should repeat? Which question? Can you say the question number, Rayan? Like let me show you the questions here. You can say the question number, either it is this third question or this second question or the first question. Which question? Can you say the question number so that it will be easy to do that question, right? If you say the question number, right? Which question, Rayan? Okay, so we'll go for the next one. So yeah, if you see here, from 1 and 2, T1 and T2 are equal, both bodies reach the ground simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. Okay. So fourth question, ball is thrown vertically upward with velocity 20 meter per second from the top of a multi-story building. The height of the point from where the ball is thrown is 25 meter from the ground. How high will the ball rises? First point. Okay. Second point, if you see, how long will it be before the, how long will it be before the ball hits the ground? Take G is equals to 10 meter per second. Okay. Actual value of G is 9.8 meter per second. So take 10 meter per second square as the value, right? So now let me go for the thing. So what they have given? We have thrown the ball with velocity 20 meter per second from the height of a 25 meter building. Now okay, let's do it here. So there is a building which is of height 25 meter. Person is standing here and is thrown a ball with some velocity. What is that velocity? U is equals to 20 meter per second. How long it will reach? How long it will means like once the ball reach maximum height, velocity will become 0. How much height it can reach when velocity will become 0 only, right? No. So I can say that till it can reach some point and it will come down, that's it. No. So this point is called as maximum height. This is H max from the top of a building, right? So I can find this easily. No. U is equals to 20 meter per second, right? V is equals to 0. A is equals to minus G, which is nothing but minus 10 meter per second square. Why minus? I am throwing the ball against the gravity, right? I need to find the displacement, that is height, right? So which equation can we use? V is equals to U plus AT. In that H, no, I can't find. So V square minus U square equals to 2AS. Yes, I can use this. And third equation, if you see, time is there, no need of third equation. Second equation, that V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. So V, that is 0, 0 square will be equals to 0, I can neglect it out, minus this is 20, no, 20 whole square will be equals to 2 into minus 10 into H, and this is minus 400 will be equals to minus 20 into H. Minus minus cancel, 0 0 cancel. So H will be equals to 20 meter. So this is the height the ball will reach up to maximum point, right? No, this is the maximum height the ball can reach, right? You can take a note of this, and we'll go for the next part of the question. Done. So can we see the next part of the equation? So I need to find the time now. Okay, so the next part is I need to find how much time it has been taken to taken before hitting the ground. So from the ground level, if you see the time, sorry, the height is 25. From the ground it is minus 25, right? And I am throwing the ball against the gravity. It is g. So g will be minus 10. I should take 10 meter per second square, which is nothing but acceleration. How much velocity? 20 meter. This is h, meter per second, that is h, or displacement s. Okay. So now I need to find the time. So I can use this s equation, like third equation, s is equals to ut plus of at square. What is s? I know that is minus 25, right? No. So minus 25 will be equals to 20 into t plus 1 by 2 into minus 10 into t square, right? So minus 25 will be equals to 20t, right? No, 20t, and this is 1 times and this is 5 times. So minus 5t square. So take this term, every term one side. What happens here? 5t square minus 20t minus 25 will be equals to 0. Done? Will be equals to 0. So I can take 5 commonly outside. T square minus 4t minus 5 will be equals to 0. Any doubt in this? So if you take 0 by something, it will be 0 only. So t square minus 4t minus 5 will be equals to 0. So I can take like this as, either I can use this equation, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, if anyone not taking the component of this minus 4. Okay, don't have to take, you can take this equation, you can simply find the value, right? We will find by using this also. Once we can use this, okay, and we'll find now, we'll see what we are getting, right? So that is the equation. So in this, what is a? A value will be, like, can I say this one? So ax square minus bx plus c will be equals to 0. So this is the condition. Okay. So what is a here? A will be equals to 1. What is b here? So this is plus b. Okay. B will be minus 4. C will be minus 5. So substitute the value to find t. So t will be equals to minus b, in the sense minus of minus 4, right? No, plus or minus root over, this is a b square, no, so minus 4b whole square minus 4 into, what is a? 1. What is c? Minus 5 divided by 2 into 1. So minus of minus plus 4 plus or minus root over, and this is, yeah, someone, okay, no issues, it's clear, right? Fine. So root over 4 square is 16, and this is minus minus plus, and this is 20, right? 4 into 5 is 20 divided by 2. So how much it is? 4 plus or minus root over, right? So how much? 36 by 2. So 36 root means I can say it is 6, no, right? So it is 4 plus or minus 6 by 2. I can say this as 4 plus 6 by 2 or 4 minus 6 by 2. So time will be equals to how much? 4 plus 6, 10, 10 by 2, 5, or 4 minus 6, minus 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 1. So time cannot be negative, so it is positive. So t will be 5 seconds. Okay. So this one you got 5 seconds, that's been taken. Okay. But some of you guys know, like, what we can do is t square minus 4t minus 5. No, wait a minute, I guess the screen is not visible, right? Now it's visible, right? Right? Yeah. So now what we will do, t square minus 4t minus 5 will be equals to 0. So I can take the like I can take like this, minus 5t plus t minus 5 will be equals to 0. How I am taking is this, I am splitting as 5 into 1. So if you see, if you are adding this, I am getting minus 4. If you are multiplying this, I am getting 5. Like this you should take. What I am doing is I am splitting this. Splitting in the sense, when you are splitting the number, it should be multiplied of this number. If you are adding this number, I should get this number. Okay, minus 5 plus t, so minus 5t plus t is minus 4. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. I am getting, okay. Now what I will do is t I will take commonly outside, t minus 5 plus 1 into t minus 5 will be equals to 0. So t plus 1 into t minus 5 will be equals to 0. So equate it to 0, these two things. So t plus 1 will be equals to 0 in the sense t plus 1 will be equals to 0, t will be equals to minus 1. T minus 5 will be equals to 0 in the sense t will be equals to 5. Am I getting the answer? Same answer. Understood? Yes. So this is another method. So usually we will follow this method if we are not getting. So better you can use this formula, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So if you have completed, we can go for the next part of the equation. Done? Okay. So the next one will be so if you see, its answer is 5 seconds. Fine, we got it. A parachute flying in an aeroplane, a parachutist flying in an aeroplane jumps when its height is 3 km above the ground. He opens his parachute when he is above 1 km, about 1 km above ground. Describe its motion. So we need to describe what is the motion there. Okay. So see, if you see here, consider the aeroplane is flying horizontally. Horizontally in the sense, what is the thing they are mentioning here? Horizontally, right? No, horizontally means aeroplane will be going like this. No, aeroplane will be going like this, and when he falls, he will be traveling like this. He will be traveling like this is my ground. From the ground, this is the height. So when aeroplane is going like this, he jumps from the aeroplane, but he will travel in this motion. So what is this motion? It's a projectile motion, right? Now, is it? Okay. Now what happens? We'll see. When a person jumps from the plane, he is treated as a free falling. That's it. He have jumped. He is treated as a free falling. Nothing is. He is not applied any velocity. Right? No. If I leave this object, yes, it has been free fall. That's the thing. This is because its initial velocity, vertical velocity, downward direction is 0. Yes, no, that's the question we have solved as a numerical in the previous questions. Right? So in vertical direction, velocity will be 0. After some time, when the parachute is opened, the person begins to fall with uniform velocity. Right? So this uniform velocity is called terminal velocity. Uniform velocity is called terminal velocity, which occurs due to air friction. At terminal velocity, the acceleration becomes 0. At terminal velocity, acceleration becomes 0. Whenever you are finding any question, apart from IPE also, if you are finding in MSET or JEE mains or NEET, if you are finding terminal velocity means acceleration will be 0. Okay. Hence, after opening the parachute, the person falls with a constant velocity. That's the concept you should mention. Okay, you can take a note of this. We'll go for the next question. Done? Can we go for the next question? Okay, fine. So now the next question is, a man runs across the roof of a tall building and jumps horizontally on the lower roof of an adjacent building. If his speed is 9 meter per second and the horizontal distance between the building is 10 meter, horizontal distance in the sense the distance between the two buildings will be 10 meter, and the height difference between the roof is 9 meter. Height difference, so from year to year it is jumping, so the height is 9 meter, right? While will he able to land on the next building safely? Okay, yeah. So here is the thing. So initially, like, he is traveling like this, he is jumping like this. No, he is jumping like this, right? No. So how much distance he need to take, right? Now they are asking. If you have taken more than this, he will be safe. If it is less, he will be gone, right? No, yeah, okay. So u will be equals to 9 meter per second, g will be 10 meter per second, so second square, and h will be 9 meter. The height will be 9 meter. Okay. So range formula, u will be u into root over 2h by g, the time. Okay. So t is nothing but root over 2h by g. No, that's why we have substituted here. So 9 into root over 2 into 9, 2 how we are getting? Okay, 2 into 9, height is 9 and divide by 10. So approximately we will get, it is 9 into root 2, right? No, 1.8. So 9 into root 2. So approximately 9 into 1.4. So obviously we will get 12.726 meter. So that's the range when he is traveling like this. So obviously range is greater than the distance between the two buildings, so hence the man can land safely to the next building. Okay, this is about the question. Now if you see the next question, okay, this is next part of the question. Okay, we will see in the plane. Okay, so up to this it's clear, I guess, right? No, okay guys, we'll end the session from up to this. We'll meet in the next class, okay, of the motion in a plane. Okay, so before coming to the class, try to do the problems so n number of times, so that it will be easy to understand, also it will be easy to write in examination also, right? Okay guys, we'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.